Hello and welcome to our video on trip preparedness. Whether you're planning a long distance journey or a weekend getaway, there are some important things you need to do to ensure a safe and enjoyable road trip. In this video, we'll show you some key tools. If you ever found yourself in a situation where your car won't start because of a dead battery, don't worry. With the right tools and technique, you can get it back on the road in no time. I'm going to show you step by step how to use a jumper cable to safely jumpstart your vehicle. A portable battery jump box is a handy tool that can help you jumpstart your vehicle without the need for another vehicle or a set of jumper cables. I will show you how to use a portable jump box. You should ensure that your jump box is fully charged. To use a portable jump box, start by connecting it to your vehicle's battery. Most jump boxes come with two cables, a red one for positive and a black one for negative. Attach the red one to the positive terminal to your vehicle and the black one to the negative on your terminal. What's great about this one is that it comes with this relay, so you can't even mess it up. Like if you hook them up to
nope.
Okay, yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. Reverse polarity light is on this device right here, so it's a protection, so you won't be able to hook your cables up backwards. But this one isn't working right. The light is only there as a courtesy, so you don't sit there and scratch your head wondering why nothing has happened when you turn the key. You're supposed to get out and switch the polarity clamps when the light turns into an error. But this thing didn't work for some reason like that. It starts a vehicle, it works pretty good. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it, but yeah, I think I'm good. Alright, test light is a simple but useful tool for diagnosing electrical problems in your vehicle or other electrical system. A test light is good for checking power and ground connection and troubleshoot common electrical issues. It's a small device, handheld device that consists of a probe, a handle with the ground wire. The probe is designed to light up when it comes into contact with electrical current, indicating that the power is flowing through the curtain. To use a test light, you need to connect the ground wire to a solid metal ground, and then you can touch the probe to different parts of the circuit to check for power or ground. One of the most common uses for a test light is to check for power in a circuit. To do this, touch the probe to the positive side of the battery or another known source of power, and then touch the other end of the circuit you're testing. If the test light illuminates, you know that power is flowing through the circuit. If it doesn't illuminate, then it indicates a problem with the circuit, such as the blown fuse. Right here, I'm checking the fuses by touching both ends of the probe. And we got good here, and we're good here, and we're good here. This is the handy check just to see if your fuses are blown. So if you're out on the road and, yeah, you see that right there? Not lighting up. And this one's good, and this one's good. So right now we know that one of the fuses is blown. So if you got power to one end of the circuit and not power to the other one, that's very likely to be a blown fuse. So we're gonna have to replace that fuse right here. So if you're ever out stranded and you need to know a bit more about what's going on with your car, it could just be as simple as a blown fuse. And I highly recommend keeping one of these in your glove box. When the fuse doesn't light up on both sides, as you've seen right here, that indicates that has no power at all going to it right now. And it might need a condition to be met, like a switch to be turned on, or maybe the blinkers to turn on or something. But when you have one that's only lit up on one side, that's definitely an indication that the fuse is most likely to be blown. So you should replace it, but there could also be other problems with that. All right, and it's going to be the fuse right here. It's a 15 amp fuse, and it's okay, yeah, it's going to be over here for, I believe it says the AC clutch. So we're going to end up replacing the fuse right now. Next up, we got the OBD2 Bluetooth reader. These things are great. You just plug them into your vehicle and you can check if your check engine light's working. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you're going to need for your vehicle, and you're going to find a port right here. It's going to be usually underneath the driver, on the driver's side near the steering wheel. Plug it in, you're going to turn your vehicle on, and it's going to light up. Alright, these OBD2 readers, they're actually great because they're small, they're portable, and they're able to hook up to your vehicle, and they're also incredibly inexpensive. So anytime you're out on a road trip and you may get a check engine light, you could at least check what codes you most likely are going to have, and you could get some idea if you're going to need to get the vehicle towed, or is it safe to keep driving to the next spot. And it's a great vehicle, it's a great thing to have. The app that I use is called Torque. You could download it off the Android, and I believe the Apple as well, the Apple Store as well. Through the Torque app, you're able to see a whole bunch of different parameters. You're able to check your drive cycles. You're able to see any kind of check engine light, and then you can even look further As you can see, like the actual diagnostic procedure on that check engine light, and you're able to see the vehicle is going to be safe to the driver if it's not. Having the right tools to change your tire is going to be incredibly important. So right here, you need to have a jack, a star wrench, and as well as a flat repair toolkit. These tools are incredibly helpful to be able to change a tire anytime you have a problem out on the road. You don't have to rely on a tow truck. You can use your spare tire if your vehicle has one. A gas can is a useful tool for storing and transporting gasoline safely and conveniently. I'm going to show you how to choose a right gas can for your needs and some important safety tips to keep in mind. When choosing a gas can, make sure to select one that is designed for your specific needs. Gas cans come in a variety of sizes and shapes, from small cans that can hold just a few gallons of fuel to larger cans that can hold up to 5 gallons or more. You should also consider the type of fuel that you're going to be storing. Gas cans are designed to hold different types of fuel, including gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and when using the wrong type of can be dangerous. When storing a gas can, make sure to keep them in a cool and dry place, away from direct sunlight, heat, and heat sources. You should also keep them away from flammable materials such as paint thinner, cleaning supplies, and propane tanks. Make sure also to store gas cans in an upright position to prevent spills and leaks. You should also label the gas can with the type of fuel you're using and the date that it was filled. Gas only lasts for so long. And there you have it. These are the most important things that you need for your vehicle anytime you're going to go on a road trip. You want to make sure you have everything that you need and double check, make sure it works, just like I checked on that battery jump box. Yeah, that didn't work out too well, but now you know. I'm glad I made this video because I would have never even checked if that worked, and that could have been a dangerous situation. I personally would have never hooked them up like that intentionally. I just wanted to test it out to see if that function even worked, and there you go, it doesn't work. So I would not recommend buying that portable jump box. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.